What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are doing great. 2025, it's February something. I don't even know what date it is in February. We're going to start a new build here on the channel. Um, for the last 6 or 7 months, I've been hit or miss. I've been going through some things. I will say I've been going through therapy for about 4 months now. Absolutely love therapy. Um, when therapy was brought up as a suggestion, I completely shot it down. I dismissed that through all angles. And then late one night, I was thinking, what's it going to hurt? I'm tired of feeling the way I've been feeling. Therapy can't make me feel any worse. Actually, it hasn't. It's made me feel so much better. So I encourage you, if you're going through anything mentally or physically or whatever, go to therapy. Just do it. You're not a pansy for going to therapy. You're not what another word is. You're not that. So if I can encourage you to do anything, go to therapy, get the help, and I promise you will feel so much better if when you go to therapy, you're actually opening up. You're not just stonewalling the therapist, but actually get into it. That's enough of that. I got some new toys. What have I got? Well, I've got a DJI Osmo 6 I bought sometime last year during this past 6 months, and I've got it right now. It's following me right here through the shop so I can walk around and I don't have to keep worrying about setting the camera up and stuff like that. So that's cool. My wife got me an Apple Watch for Christmas. I thought that was awesome. So I can control the camera from the Apple Watch. I can just look at it here and it shows that I'm in frame, which is pretty cool. I'm wearing the wireless mic that I had last year. I need to upgrade that. But this, I want to show this off. This is a 2000 and something ezgo golf cart. And y'all seen this before. This was the 36-volt golf cart. We had to get it running on a video. We did a will it run. And then we did what did we do then? We did a uh, repower flow 36-volt lithium battery in it. And it's been sitting, and while I took the battery out, my son was mud dogging it, him and his buddies. And I just like, you know what? I'm not going to have this. I yanked the battery out of it. Um, anyways, so what are we going to do with this? Well, I have been watching other YouTube videos in the past 6 months, and I've really been watching AC Auto's channel. If you don't familiar with AC Auto, I'll throw up a video here. He's working on an old EasyGo Marathon. They two-linked the rear, two-linked the front. He put air shocks on it, slammed it. So it's like a I don't know, a lot of people call it lowrider, but it's kind of like a mini truck build where it's got, air suspension on it. I want to do that to this. That's one thing I've been wanting to do for a long time. I want to do that to this. So for this golf cart, I went ahead and I purchased a TXT48 harness. I've got a new solenoid. I've got an Avitas AC kit for it that I took off of a cart last year. I've got some polished aluminum wheels, golf cart wheels. Not exactly sure the name brand of them. I bought them from a neighbor 2 years ago, and I just had them in storage. They need to be cleaned. They need new tires. I've got air compressors and electric valves and switches and air compressors, and I think I got a tank or two left over from when I used to be in the mini trucks a long time ago. This body that is uncut and no front lights in the front, no rear lights in the back, so it's an uncut body. I have a newer body than this right here as well that we could put on it. There's a back seat on the golf cart right now. Let's walk over here to the back seat. So we have this back seat on here right now, but the problem is it's kind of old. The seat cushions they just need to be replaced. Anyways, if we're going to build something up, I'm probably going to end up replacing the back seat. So I went ahead and listed this right here seat on Facebook Marketplace for sale. I think I have a buyer lined up for it, so we need to get this right here off of it. I would like to have this right here back portion of the footrest to lay on the ground with the back down and the front up, and we could drag it. That's what I would like. I want to be to throw sparks from my Lord ezgo golf cart. That's all I want to do. I want a cool stereo in it. Maybe some type of, I don't know if we're going to do a paint job or wrap it or something like that. Um, I don't know. And I'm not saying this right here is going to be done overnight, because it's not going to be. I've got a lot of stuff, but we got a lot of things that we're probably going to have to modify in order to get it down low. There's tons of pictures on the internet. I've saved pictures from years ago. I've always wanted to have like a slammed golf cart. But I'm so ready to be creative again. My wife asked me the other night, she's like, what do you miss the most from last year and the years before? And I just told her, I said it was one thing. I just miss being creative. And I do. I miss being creative. And I've been on TikTok. I don't know if you guys have TikTok. If you do, go over there, Ryan Finners or Ryan.Finners on TikTok. I'll link it in the description below. You can check that out as well. I do all kind of crap on TikTok. It's not just golf cart stuff. In fact, therapy has gotten me to a place where I am dancing on TikTok. So if you want to see me make a fool out of myself, head over to TikTok, follow me over there. I do, the TikTok shop affiliate. I do some golf cart stuff. When my boy flipped the golf cart, we did a lot of videos of that over there. I think TikTok knew about the golf cart being flipped before you guys knew about it on YouTube. TikTok's fun. It's quick. It's easy. And yeah, love TikTok. Go over there. Watch me make a fool out of myself over there. Follow me over there as well. I still do Instagram some, Facebook some. But YouTube and TikTok, that's where I'm going to be focusing at this year in 25. That's where I'm going to be focusing at. So, I appreciate y'all sticking around this right here long. We're going to need to work on this right here some today on the channel. I'll show you the wheels and tires I have in just a minute. Oh, I also have to review I don't know, 10 or 11 batteries. I got 10 or 11 lithium batteries sitting in my main garage, ready to be reviewed. We're going to need to start reviewing batteries as well on the channel. I'm having people hit me up asking for a golf cart repair, so we might be doing some repair videos on other customers' carts as well on the channel this year. A lot to go on. I know I've been talking a whole lot. I appreciate you watching so far. If you made it this far, we need to strip this down. Let me go show you those wheels and tires real quick. So these are the tires that I have here. I think they're made by Wheel Mate or Mate Wheel, one of the two. This is a 12-inch tire. These tires are here. These are new airless tires. You didn't need no air in there for those. But this right now, it's got a 215 50-12 on it. I'm thinking I need like a 205 30-12 or something like that. These are the wheels I want. They're kind of like a polished aluminum look. So for like a mini truck style, I think these will look good. I don't know the width of these wheels and tires just yet, so getting them here in place, I don't know exactly sure if they're going to be too wide or not. We might have to explore shortening the axle in the rear or narrowing it. I don't know about up front there, if we're going to have to narrow that axle or not. They used to make lowered axles. I don't know if they still do or not. So that's what we have. I think these right here are going to look pretty cool. Well, there it is, guys. There's a card. I think there's one thing left to do, and that's to start disassembling this thing and tearing it apart. All right, guys, this is day 2, and yesterday I got everything torn off of the cart here. I didn't show that on camera. Some people say they like to see it. Some people say they don't like to see it when you put music over it, so I didn't show that. But let's walk around, check it out here, see what we got going on. The motor, or not the motor, I took the motor off, the wiring harness is off, all the electrical stuff is off of it except that one wire there going to the foot switch. I just sprayed it off with the water hose. I did not pressure wash it. That's why it still looks like this, but I don't think it looks bad. Pretty good place to start with. One of the things that I was really worried about was down in here, making sure that down there was not rusted. The ezgo's usually rust right down in here. I still got some stuff I need to pull off of here, but no rust in either of those bottom bins there. No rust down here either. So this wheel says it's a 12 by 7. Not exactly sure if you guys can see that or not in there. Let's see if we can blow this up a little bit. See it? 12 by 7. Okay. We got us a piece of angle that barely fits the wheel. Coming in here, we're looking at the back spacing. Coming at 3.5 inches for back spacing. And if 3.5 inches minus 7 is 3.5, so this should be considered a centered wheel. I only have one on, 2 lug nuts. These tires did raise the cart up a little bit. Now these are 215/50 12s. I have found some new tires. I'm probably going to go with at Pete's Golf Cart. I'll put a link down in the description. You can check them out. But they're 205/30/12, and should be the smallest profile tire out there. And it's probably going to be a little bit narrower. It's not going to ride the best. But then again, I don't expect this right here cart to ride the best since it's going to be slammed. But after looking on here, I like the way, I believe it's, I don't know if it's sticking out as much as the stock tires did or not. Let's see here. I think this right here is sticking out more. I still think we're going to need to trim or narrow the rear end, but it looks very close to this inside fender well there, but I don't know. I got aftermarket on the left. It's still poking out just a smidge versus right here. And it's definitely poking out there. So, well, there it is, guys. I appreciate you watching. This episode was not very interesting, I'm sure. We're just kind of just explaining. We're back. We're going to be making some videos. This is the new project here. I didn't want to bore you guys with, disassembling it and putting music on it and all of that. I appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch a video of mine. With that being said, we got tons of batteries to review. I got more batteries on the way. We're going to be doing some range tests here soon. We got to get started on this. Like I said earlier, I got some new tires coming for those wheels. Those wheels need to be polished. Let's see if we can get them to looking next to new, as new as we can. I need to pressure wash this frame. I didn't pressure wash it earlier. It does have some rust here and there, but it's all surface rust. And we got to see what we can do to get these wheels and tires on this cart as low as possible. That's my goal. I just want to get it as low as possible on this cart, even though we're going to be running a Navitas 5K. And it's not going to be easy, but everything that's easy in life doesn't turn out to be the coolest. So we can go from there. We're going to need to do some more work on some other carts we have. I got that Allied battery that we're going to need to replace the BMS in. Walking Tall needs a new left rear block because I've been at three-wheeling the golf cart. Tons of other things going on. My son's about to start building a Club Car DS to flip. I've given him a DS that I got for nothing. And I'm giving him a motor, giving him a stock controller, stock motor, all of that. I've got a wiring harness for him. And I'm wanting him to get his hands dirty. I'm not necessarily wanting him to enjoy what I enjoy. I'm trying to teach him either he can go and bag groceries at 15 years old, or he can start hustling and flipping and fixing and stuff like that. That's my whole goal for him. And summertime will be here before you know it. He's got his permit. He's going to be getting his license here anytime soon. So I'm wanting to maybe instill into that in him that, hey, you can get out there and hustle, or you can work for the man that went out there and hustled. So either or. Um, Appreciate you guys watching today's video. I know it wasn't long again, like I said, but thank you. And until next time, we'll see y'all later. Bye.